You are about to take a journey from the smallest unit of life to the edge of everything. We start here, inside a single human cell. It's about 10 micrometers across. That's 1/100th of a millimeter. You could fit 1,000,000 of these on the head of a pin. And yet, this tiny sphere is a city in itself, with a nucleus storing your entire genetic code, mitochondria powering your every movement, and ribosomes building the proteins that make you, you. Zoom out. Those cells have organized into tissue and tissue into organs. Your heart, about the size of your fist, beats 100,000 times a day, pumping blood through 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels. Your brain, 1.4 kilograms of the most complex matter we know, contains 86 billion neurons, each connecting to thousands of others in a web more intricate than the entire internet. These organs work together in systems: circulatory, nervous, respiratory, digestive, each one a masterpiece of biological engineering, and all of them fit inside this, the human body. About 1.7 meters tall, small enough to walk through a door, large enough to contain a universe of complexity. But step outside and the scale shifts dramatically. A single city, 50 kilometers across, home to millions of bodies, each one a universe of its own. Rise above it and you see the state, hundreds of kilometers wide, with highways and rivers cutting across the land. Keep climbing. A country, thousands of kilometers across. Then a continent, the landmass that holds nations, mountain ranges and ecosystems that have evolved over millions of years. And then you see it. Earth, 12,142 kilometers in diameter. The only world we know of with life. A pale blue sphere suspended in the dark. But Earth is just one of 8 planets. Mercury, the smallest, just 4,079 kilometers across. Mars, 6,079 kilometers. Jupiter, the giant, 139,820 kilometers wide. You could fit 100 Earths inside Jupiter, and Saturn's rings stretch 280,000 kilometers from edge to edge, nearly the distance from Earth to the Moon. At the center of it all, the Sun, 1.39 million kilometers in diameter. 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside it. It accounts for 99.86% of all the mass in our solar system. Everything else, all 8 planets, all their moons, every asteroid, is the remaining 0.14%. But the Sun is a dwarf, a yellow dwarf. When we look at other stars, the Sun shrinks dramatically. Sirius, the brightest star in our sky, is nearly twice the Sun's diameter. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in Orion, is 1,400 times wider than the Sun. If you replaced the Sun with Betelgeuse, it would swallow Jupiter. And Uy Scuti, one of the largest stars ever discovered, is 1,700 times the Sun's diameter. Light takes 7 hours just to circle it once. These stars, hundreds of billions of them, are gathered here in the Milky Way. Our galaxy stretches 100,000 light-years across. That means light, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, would need 100,000 years to cross it. And the Milky Way is just one galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest large neighbor, is 220,000 light-years across, and it's heading toward us. In 4.5 billion years, the 2 galaxies will collide and merge into a single elliptical galaxy. Beyond Andromeda, there are an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Some are small dwarf galaxies with a few billion stars. Others, like IC 1101, one of the largest known, span 6 million light-years. That's 60 times the size of the Milky Way. And the observable universe itself, 93 billion light-years in diameter. Light from the edge has been traveling for 13.8 billion years, since the Big Bang itself. And beyond that edge, we don't know. There may be more universe, infinitely more, forever hidden from our view. You started inside a cell, 1/100th of a millimeter, and in a few minutes you've traveled 93 billion light-years. The scale of everything is beyond comprehension, and yet, here you are. A conscious being made of stardust, contemplating the cosmos. That might be the most mind-bending thing in the entire universe.